What's up, guys? I just bought my first supercar today. You ready to check it out?
Let's go!
This is my new Lamborghini Performante Urus. It's a little lowered. This is my new ship box, not the Tacoma, this ship box. You know, the engine is not even in. It's gonna need a lot of work. We're gonna paint it like the SVJ color, and we're gonna wrap it in Louis Vuitton to match it look sexy.
Really?
Yes, sir.
It looks amazing.
It's gonna be a fun project. Can't wait for it. At Imperial, we just don't only do Lambos, Ferraris. We also do ship boxes. Occasionally. Only certain ship boxes, like your ship box, the Mercedes. Okay, guys, we'll see you on the next project. Please don't kill me. My go-kart? No, stop!